In today's video, Honeymoon Beach. Let's take a look. But before I do that, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell. It's so easy to get to Honeymoon Beach from St. Thomas Airport. Come with me and I'm gonna show you how easy it is. To get to the ferry to St. John, you need to rent a car or get a taxi. You can choose the car ferry or the passenger ferry. Today I'm going to get the passenger ferry. Let's go! I'm going to leave in the description of the video their website so you can choose which ferry is more convenient to you. When you get to St. John, go to the roundabout and you're going to see the signs for Highway 20, which is the North Shore Road. And from there, it's very easy to get to Honeymoon Beach. When you see this sign, you have the option to continue on the North Shore Road or make a left and park your car at the National Park Visitor Center and take a hike. The hike is about 1 mile long. Another fast way to get to Honeymoon Beach from North Shore Road, when you see these signs, Lean Point Trail and a Virgin Island National Park, just make a left, park your car and get in this trail. Takes about 5 minutes to get down and soon you're gonna be relaxing on this fantastic beach. Continue on the North Shore Road. When you see this sign at the Canoe Bay entrance, make a left. You're going to park your car and get a shuttle to the beach. If you come by taxi, the taxi is gonna drop you at the entrance. You're gonna do a short walk and get the shuttle as well. Honeymoon Beach has everything that you need to have fun all day long. They have a gift shop, bathrooms, bikini on the beach bar and grill with great cocktails and the best painkiller on the island. I am amazed by this emerald and turquoise water. And look, I can even see a stingray. If you and your family need some time away from the sun, they have several private cabanas to rent. I'm going to leave in the description of the video their website so you can check it out. You can also rent kayaks and all the beach equipment that you need to have a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below which beach is your favorite one. Mine is Honeymoon Beach. I'll see you around the island.